Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check spam tags on iPhone, and here's how it is done. First, go to your settings and scroll down to the messages section. Click on it and look for the filter unknown senders option. By toggling this on, you will create a separate folder in your messages app. This will help you sort messages from your contacts, like friends and family, from those coming from unknown senders, which are likely spam. Once you have enabled this feature, go back to the messages app. In the top left corner, you will see the filters option. By clicking on it, you'll be able to see the new filtering options. If you hadn't turned on the filter, you wouldn't see this option at all. Now you can choose to view all messages together or filter them by known senders, meaning only messages from people in your contacts. This makes it easier to avoid spam and scams. You can also filter to see just your unread messages, those you may have seen but didn't have time to read yet. That is everything you need to know about how to check spam tags on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.